Hey guys, Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. So for today's video, I have something really exciting for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair with the Revlon one-step dryer and volumizer. Now, you guys know how much your girl loves volume, and this is an actual game changer, you guys. So if you guys want to learn how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to add some heat protectant. You guys know how serious I am about us protecting our hair, especially when you're going to blow dry or heat style it at all. Very, very important. Alright guys, so here is the main star of the show. It's the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Tool. So as you guys can see, this has more of an oval shape. So what's cool about this is that it's meant to create more volume and really curl your ends during your... Alright guys, so the first step is to section off your hair. This is very important since we are going to, try to get volume on each one of the pieces. It's not like a regular blow dryer that you would just just go all around. You definitely want to focus it in sections. So I've taken pretty small sections. Well, I guess it's not that small. It's the whole back side of my head. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we are going to obviously turn it on. But I'm gonna show you guys before I go in because then it might get really noisy. We're gonna go in here and then we're gonna pull upwards. So this is gonna give us the most volume because, sorry, it's like hard to pull in since it's not on. But once we pull up, that's gonna really help us get the most volume we can here in the root area. So yeah, you guys will obviously see once I turn it on. You guys, do you see that? Do you see this right here? Yes, honey. Alright, so these back pieces right here, we're going to go ahead and blow dry this way, because that way we're going to get the most volume once it lays back down. Alright guys, so now that we're to the front part, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off right here. We're going to be doing a side part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this in right here. And we do wanna go the opposite of the way that the hair lays. So for example, this section right here, I will be blow drying this way so that way it could lay super volumized this way. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. I do have a 20% discount code for you guys, so make sure that you guys check the description box down below. There will be a code and a link for you guys to use if you guys do want to pick this tool up. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go and give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy hair videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.